Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Royal Bank USA. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, just type in royalbank-usa.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Royal Bank USA. Now, in order to log into your account, just type in your online ID and click on the login button. Now you will be taken into the sign-in portal where you can enter your password. Just type in your password and click on the sign-in button and you will be logged into your account on Royal Bank USA. You can also sign in with the passkey by clicking on sign in with a passkey. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Royal Bank USA. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.